Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to draw something on Google Docs. Open your file in Google Docs. There, from the Insert menu, click on Drawing and select the option New. In this window, you have some options. From the Lines option, you can see various alternatives that allow you to use lines such as curve, scribble, arrows, or basic lines. When you select it, you can simply use it in the panel. Now, from Shapes, you have options such as shapes, arrows, callouts, or equations, which allow you to access multiple usage options so that your Google Docs looks more dynamic. By clicking on any of these options, you can add it to the drawing window. With these drawings, from the top you can adjust their font, colors, and so on. When you finish, click on Save and Close. You can see your drawings in the Google Docs. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.